Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. Third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, Tuesday, July the 20th, 2021. We have here two puzzles left, binary puzzle and a tectonic one. But first, we will solve this baby. And this one will be a number 3125. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, not the printed digits. I want to know what kind of puzzle this is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O here, one, there, one. Double one here, no, there, no. Double one here, no, there, no. Double one here, no, there, no. Between two O's comes in one. Between two O's comes in one. Double one here, no, there, no. Between two ones comes in O. Double O here, one, there, one. Between two ones comes in O. We have here 1, 2, 3 ones, and I know between an 1 and an O with two empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the 1, we have the first one, the second one, the third one, and fourth one. So those two boxes should be an O. Okay, double O here, one, there, one. Yeah. Double one, here no, there no. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. We have 1, 2, 3. 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules. So this box cannot be an O. This box should be a 1. Then can we compare? That's the question. Can we compare with only one row, complete row? One, two, 3 ones, and I know between a 1 and an O there's always, with two empty boxes, I know there is an O and a 1 there. So the first one, second one, third one, fourth one. So this box should be an O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Okay. We have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Okay. Okay. Can I compare? Can I compare? Still have 1. Double O. Here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. And then, can we compare? Yeah. this row and that row. 1 1 empty box. 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have now 4 O's in the last column, so the rest are 1s. Here we have double 1, here no, there no. 4 1s we have here in this row, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Then need to compare again. Hmm. Alright. Oh, 1. Come on. It's taking too long. Do we have a double 1 here? No. Need to compare the rows. Oh, 1. Well. Double O. Do we have a double O here? Double O. But it's not completed. Yeah. Double 1 here. Oh. This is almost the same. Come on. Where is the opening? The opening. Yeah. Where is the opening? Now, this row, or this column, I can do the comparing here also. 1, 2, 3. O10. Do we have O10? No. O10. O1. This is not the same. So we need to compare the columns. 1001. 1001. Here. This one. 1001. No. 011. Aha. This one and that one. empty box. 001111000011 empty box. So we need to switch those two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have a O there, this should be a 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Here we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. And here we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Finish in 10 minutes. Wow, this one not easy. This one you need to find the digits. Yes, and I like this one. I really do. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last puzzle, a tectonic one. See you then. Bye bye for now.